to the Radio Thailand's News Hour. We broadcast live from FM 88, FM 95.5, and online at nbt.prd.go.th. Turning to our global headlines. The country's daily death toll from coronavirus on Wednesday was the lowest for 6 days, but the overall number of new infections has grown, and the government is extending a national lockdown until at least the middle of April. The Civil Protection Agency said around 70 down from about 840 the day before, bringing total fatalities from the world's deadliest outbreak of the viral pandemic to well over 13,100. Italy accounts for around 30% of the highly infectious respiratory illness, and 2 new studies suggested its true death toll could be significantly higher. New cases rose by almost 4,000 on Wednesday, a sharper spike than in the previous 2 days, bringing total infections since the outbreak came to light on February 21st to more than 110,500. The national lockdown in place since March 9th will expire on